right, khumbula ke ukuthi ngithe mangabe usufikile kuma values ka y wakho ubuka leli valley point selizisho lona leli kodwa belisashoda, and mawubuka i-Cartesian plane yakho you consider the region ipoint lona elikuyo uqobo lwayo. You cannot awukwazi ukuvela uqhamuka usuchoose y ewu7 kanti i-region yakho it's a negative region when you choose y ewu7, then the choice yakho should be a minus a3. Then ngicabanga ukuthi ke la njengoba bebesinikezile i-center okwethu was to use i-center to find ama coordinates ala. Mase swatholile ama coordinates alawo mabili bese sicalculator ubude be radius yethu. We did then find i-radius yethu, i-radius square to be 25. So knowing i-radius square yethu kube u25 sesiyaqhubeka ke siqhubeka la. Okwenzakalayo ke manje sesizohamba siyo substitute i-radius yethu s squared ewubani ewu25 equals to x minus the center. X minus the center, it is x plus 5. It is x plus 5 all squared plus y minus 2 all squared. Because sifuna equation thina we further this thing down. Khumbula ke a binomial squared, it's a binomial by itself. That one kusinikeza ba x squared plus 10x plus 25, right, plus y squared minus 4y plus 4, right. Bese sibuka ke inumber ezedekile ngapha u25 kanye no4 which is 29, right. Mawuthatha lo 29 kuletha ngapha uzofika abe u-minus 4, okay. Mayese u-minus 4 ngapha usale nobani no x squared plus 10x plus y squared minus 4y. This is your equation of this circle, or yonke into ibe equal to naught. This will be x squared plus 10x plus y squared minus 4y plus 4, and this will be another version esinye isithombe lesi noma enye equation yale circle obunga indlela ubungayibhala ngayo. Khumbula ke lokhu sengiyakusummarizeela manje. Ngithe kuwena 1 bayakunikeza i-equation, bakunikeze yona i-equation inje. Uma bekunikeza yona i-equation uthatha the first numbers. Okokuqala first numbers zonke inumber ezingama constant uyibuyisele ngancane, then bese uba nobani no x squared plus 10x plus y squared minus 4y is equals to u4 lower o positive mawusuza ngapha uba minus 4. Then you complete a square la uma ngabe ufuna i-center, which then gives you x squared plus 10x plus uwafwala u5 squared is 25 plus y squared minus 4y uwafwala u2 squared plus 4 is equals to minus 4. U-add lo 25 ngale ngoba ewu plus la uzoya ngale esewubani ewu-minus, uzoya ngale ewu-minus bese ufika ubani ubanike. Okay, ngoba uzobe ubhizi wena ubhizi nani ubu-complete square la trying to find what the center, then you factorize this, it becomes x plus 5 all squared plus y plus y minus 2 all squared is equal to minus a4. Bese uthatha lo 25 nalo 4 ubayise ngale ngapha sekuzofika bekade ku minus waba u plus. Okay, bekade ku plus kwaba u minus wawusuyibuyisela lapha yana isifike iba u plus mayisi u plus ngale kusho ukuthi izoba u plus no 29 no 4 izophinda ikubuyisele emuva kubani ku 25 because it's 29 minus angithi yabo lo 4 uzofika ngapha abulale lo 4 bese kuwela u25 abe minus 25 cabanga ukuthi uyabona lo 4 lo uzosuka eze ngapha abe minus 4 kube minus 8 kusuke ngapha u25 naye aye ngale abe minus 25 no 8 bakunikeze u17 ishintshiswa yini ake siyicheke futhi ngithe kuwena you subtract the center so it's minus is plus it's minus 2 so it is la that's where the problem is your r squared was calculated, your r was 25, so your r squared should be 5. Your r squared should be 5. Kanje. So you will then drive it uzuzofika kuphi kwi-equation bese wenze njani usuyitholile equation kufana nokuthi mawuhlehla ubuyele emuva uzothola isenta uhlehla kanjani ubuyisela u4 ngapha abe minus usale nalokho mawufika la you complete a square completing the square kanjani ngoku-add u-half wala u5 then 5 square is 25 u-half wala u2 by 2 you add that u2 lapha akunikeze u4 so ama-factors ala ilawo and that one so it gives you the back it goes back to the given standard formula ye circle yakho uma ngabe uyinikezwe in a standard form yes equation ye circle with a center not at the origin. Right, sesosuka ke manje siyokwenza an equation of a tangent. Ake sirabhekele. Siyobuka equation ye tangent. Nayo equation ye tangent iqalwa ngayo kanye i-understanding. Asiqale ngoku-understand kuqala. Yini i-tangent? 1. I-tangent is a straight line. Y equals to mx plus c. That is our tangent, an equation of a straight line. Ake sibukeke. Nasi lesi straight line lesi. Silithinta leli circle la kanye. Njengoba ubona sithinta kanye. Kodwa esikwaziyo nge-tangent kanye ne-radius ukuthi i-radius is perpendicular to the tangent at a point of contact. I-radius is perpendicular to the tangent at a point of contact. So okusho ukuthi i-gradient yala njoba thina besiyibalile ekuqaleni yaba u-0 neyala futhi sazoba u-0 bese uthola the y equals to bese uthola u-x wakho ukuthi u-x wakho uzobe ewubani ngaleso sikhathi because lo line lo it's perpendicular kodwa esikwaziyo nge-tangent a tangent touches a circle at a point, one point, and it is a straight line, and a tangent to the circle at a point of contact they make an angle of 90 degrees. Okusho ukuthi ke kufuneke wena uthole i-gradient yala bese we multiply ngenye i-gradient ukuze uthole -1 okuyoba i-equation yani ye tangent kuba i-gradient ye tangent mawusuthola i-tangent. Ake sambe ke siye lapho naleyo information. Right, ake sibukeke. Right, kuthiwani la? Kuthiwa show that the straight line, bakunikeza straight line is a tangent to a circle, bakunikeza circle. Bakunikeza izinto ezimbili. Show that the straight line sakho sithi y is equals to minus x minus 4. Minus x minus 4. This is your straight line. Base bethi i-circle yakho minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1. I-circle yakho it's x minus 1 all squared plus y plus 1 all squared is equal to 8. Is equals to 8. Bakunikeza ama-equations awuthula. Bakunikeze i-equation ye straight line. Bakunikeza i-equation ye circle. Right? Esikwaziyo thina sazi ukuthi okay, ake siqale ngesenta yala. Isenta yala angiseze ukudweba ke izinto eziqondile manje. Isenta yala x is 1 while y is minus 1. So isenta yethu is 1 and minus 1. That is our center yale circle le. Right? Ake sibone ke mangabe sidweba le circle yethu ukuthi iradius yethu iubani. Iradius yethu izoba u2 root 2. 2 root 2 because lo u8 squared lo. I mean radius squared lo njoba ku squared la radius squared. In other words, our r squared is equals to 8. In numbers ezimbili is 4 times 2 under the root. So square root is 4, 2 root 2. That is our r, 2 root 2. Right. Uma ke ubude bala bu 2 root 2 bese udweba i-circle la kanje. Right? Then usufuna ke manje i-tangent. I-tangent kuzoba uline ozothinta la iradius ithinta khona. That will be our tangent, angithi? And sengichazile ukuthi iradius yethu ne-tangent benza u-90 degrees, which means they are perpendicular to each other. Uma be perpendicular sazi ukuthi gradient yokuqala mangi multiply ngegradient yesibili fanele ngithole u-minus 1. Nansi ke gradient yokuqala eyalo line lo, which is minus 1 times m2 equal to minus 1. So m2 is equal to 1. M2 is equal to 1. Right? Sengwazi ku m2 ukuthi is equals to 1. Sengiyahamba ngithi y is equals to m2 is 1x plus c. Sekufanele ngithole ke manje ukuthi u-c ubani. U-c ubani. Ukuze ngikwazi ukuthola ukuthi u-c ubani. Ngizwe kahle. Ukuze ngikwazi ukuthola ukuthi u-c ubani. What is my y-intercept there? Ayithi yayibona lona. What is my y-intercept there or wherever? Ubani i-y-intercept yami. Ngizothatha lo ngimfake la esikhundleni sika y. Uyangizwa? Angithi y lo oyilento ngizomfaka la. So ngizoba nobani? Ngizoba no x minus 1 all squared plus nanko ku y minus x minus 4 plus 1 all squared is equal to 8. Is equal to 8. Sengino x yedwa ke manje kufanele ngiusolve. Right? La ngino minus x minus 3 all squared plus x minus 1 all squared is equal to 8. Sengiya multiply. It's x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus x squared minus this times that times 2, it's plus 6x plus 9. Right? Square this is x squared. This times that, it's plus 6. This is square 9 equal to 8. Ngifuna x babilo o x aba squared. U6 ngisusa babili kusala ba u4 o x. 9 plus 1 is 10 minus 8, it's plus 2 equal to 0. Divide by 2 throughout. Msale no x squared plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Bese ngifactorize land. Mbeno x, no 1, plus and plus. So x plus 1 is equal to 0, then my x is equal to minus 1. When x is minus 1, I will have minus into minus 1 minus 4, which will give me 1 minus 4, which is minus 3. So point lamlu banik liti when x is minus 1, y is minus 3. Izodlula la igraph yami. When x is minus 1, when x is minus 1, y will be minus 3. When x is 1, y will be minus 3. So this is the point. Okushuthi lo line kahle kahle awumile njengoba umi kanje. Kodwa ngivele ngawenza mina ngoba ngifuna ukuchaza ukuthi a radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. Kahle kahle i-tangent ikuphi? Ila. I-radius yami yona ikuphi? Ila. Athi ayikwana leyo nto. So this is the point minus 1 is to minus 3. Where the tangent will touch the circle. Bekuthiwa senzeni ke thina? Bekuthiwa asithole therefore the line is a tangent to this circle because ithinta le circle at one point. Bekuthiwa sikhombisa ukuthi lo line lo is a tangent la. Uma lo line lo uyi tangent la, thina fanele sibe nolwazi oluthi i-gradient yala. Anti-gradient ithi minus 1, i-gradient ithi minus 1 minus 3, which is plus 3, over 1 minus it's 1 plus 1, which is 2 divided by 2, which is 1. So mangithatha le gradient ngimultiplier ngo m2 will be equal to minus 1. Therefore m2 will be equal to minus 1. M2 will be equal to minus 1. And you can see ukuthi gradient yala positive. Iqhamuka ku3 iyophuma phezulu ku1. So the gradient is positive. I say bona down. So if the gradient is positive for a radius, surely the gradient must be negative for the tangent, which is this, which is that. Right? U minus 1. So mawukhombisa ukuthi lo line lo oqondile uyi tangent kule circle kusuke kuthiwa khombisa ukuthi uthinta kanye and kanye kuphela. Ukhombisa kanjani lokho? Ngokuthatha lo line lo njengoba uthi uy umelwe ileyanto ufake endaweni ka y leyanto, which means you substitute y in the circle, or yes, in the circle. Then you calculate the value of x and you substitute the value of x there to find the value of y there. It's maqhamuka nje point elilodwa kusho ukuthi ngempela lo line uyi tangent la ngoba uthinta la kanye, which is just what we have shown. Maningi ama examples noma ibalo ebesingazenza ngalokho. ake sibuke esinye. Nakhona futhi asizukusidweba according to ama scales akhona. Sizoyidwebela nje isibalo. Sizama ukukhombisa ukuthi ngempela itangent iyolithinta icircle kodwa iyolithinta kanye, as long as kuthiwa nje tangent iyothinta kanye endaweni eyodwa. Lokhu sizokugcina ngoba itangent is straight line, iyona defining equation leya, iyona formula ye straight line. Sizoyigcina ke inje ngoba sisebenza sincikisa futhi kuyona. Right, kuthiwa this line y plus 2x is 1. This line y plus 2x is equal to 1. Kuthiwa as lo line lo is a tangent to a circle with a center and a point. With a center, asibukeke nansi center yethu, nanti point lethu. I-center ithini? 1 and minus 1, x and y. 1 and minus 1, x and y. Yini indaba besinikezele izinto zombili na? Yini indaba besinikezele izinto zombili na? Bathe lo line lo uyi tangent kule circle le. Right? Asiphinde siyidwebe ke le circle le. Senza i-rough sketch. Nansi rough sketch yethu, nansi circle yethu. Right? Kwathiwa i-center yethu u1 no minus 1. 1 and minus 1. Nansi center. It's 1 and minus 1. Kwase kuthiwa ke kune center kunjalo. Lo line lo uyi tangent. Asibuke ke i-tangent ukuthi nani. I-tangent, i-gradient yakhona is always perpendicular. So m1 multiplied by m2 must get us minus 1. But to m1 minus 2 times m2 is equal to minus 1. So m2 is equals to 1 over 2. 1 over 2. Right? 1 over 2. Sikuthatha up lokho ngoba lo siyampusha simuse ngale. Athi ayibona lona. Lo siyampusha simuse ngale bese ba minus 2. That is the gradient of this line. So masithathe yalo line si times ngeye radius. Radius. Ake sibukeke sithi there is our radius. Right? There is our tangent. Are you with me? So I gradient ye radius nansi. Cabanga ukuthi uyayibona lento engiyishoyo. Kodwa ke ngicela sibuke sizela. Sinikezwe i-center thina. Angithi? Kodwa esikwaziyo ngeradius ukuthi iperpendicular. So, my perpendicular iradius. Kusho ukuthi la sizoba no y is equals to angithi sizo le eye radius le ngobe yala siyayazi. So it's minus 2x plus c. Kodwa ke vele siyinikeziwe wathiwa plus 1. Anti siyinikeziwe. So that's the equation of this one. If that one is minus 2, the radius will be positive half. Bese kuthiwa ke njengoba sinikezwe i-center asithole ke thina i-equation. Ukuthola i-equation si substitute i-center. sithi r squared is equals to x minus 1 all squared plus y plus 1 all squared. Bese sizothi la angithi sifuna leli point ukuze sikwazi ukuthola an equation yecircle kufanele sithole iradius. Masifuna leli point sesizothatha lo as y equal to minus 2x plus 1. Endaweni ka y siyofaka lento thina. Sinobanika sizoba no x minus 1 all squared plus y wethu u minus 2x plus 1 all squared is equals to r squared. Sifuna ukuthola u-x wala njalo. Iradius yethu asinayo. Angithi kodwa siyakwazi ukuthola i-equation yalo line lo we radius ke manje. I-equation ye radius yona sizoyithola kanjani? I-equation ye radius sizoyithola ngokuthi sithi i-radius i-gradient yala half x plus c equals to y. But asilazi leli point. But leli siyalazi leli. Hayi siyabona? Leli siyalazi as the center. X and y. U-c wethu siunikeziwe u-plus 1. U-plus 1. Bese sisuka la sizohamba siyo substitute ke manje. Right, nakhona ke la kuthiwa asithole i-equation ye radius. Khumbula ukuthi ngitheni kuwena. Ngithe i-radius is always perpendicular to the point of contact with the tangent. Uma thina siyinikeziwe i-tangent, fanele siqale sithole i-gradient ye tangent. Gradient ye tangent u-minus 2 mawuya ngale. Therefore, i-gradient ye radius u-half. Bese sithi ke since sesiyayazi i-gradient ye radius m radius is given by the changes of y. La khumbula sino x kanye no y. Angisho changes of y minus, so it is y plus 1 over x minus, which is x minus 1. And i-gradient yani ye radius half equals to leyanto. Then sinobanika thini sizoba no 2y plus 2 because siya multiply it is equals to x minus 1. From this one your y, which is 2, is equals to lo siupusha ngale, which is x minus 3. Bese divide ngo 2 3 out throughout. Then our y is equal to half of x, which is the gradient of a radius, by the way, minus 3 over 2. And this gives us an equation of the radius. It gives us an equation of a radius. Aslalele upart 2 wakhona ukuthi uthini? Upart 2 wakhona uthi determine the equation of a circle through Q and P. Determine the equation of a circle through Q and P. Right. So point ban lo, point Q lo. Bathi ke manje asideterminishe eyani eye circle. Right? Eye circle ke bese ngivele ngiyiqalile nansi ya. Ngicabanga ukuthi abantu bayayibona. Nansi equation yani ye circle bese ngivele ngiyiqalile. So angiyikhipheke radius ngoba sesiyitholile. Stay a radius. Always remember ukuthi radius is perpendicular to a tangent. Knowing a gradient a tangent, therefore a radius will be a reciprocal of that, which is this, given by that, then this will be the equation. Sesiyitholile a tangent, sesiyothola eyani manje equation yani yeseka, equation yani yeseka. Uma siyothola equation yeseka, let us use our y there. Siyothola equation yeseka, this is what we will get. Uma siyothola equation yeseka, sizoyisubstitute nayo futhi. Right, sizoyisubstitute nayo, kodwa ungakhohlwa ukuze sikwazi ukuthola leli point leli, ukuze sikwazi ukuthola leli point. Angithi equation yala sesiyayazi. Equation yakhona ithini? Equation yala ithi y is equals to half x and minus 3 over 2, which is x minus 3 all over 2. Mawuthanda ungayibhala kanje noma uyibhale kanje. Endaweni ka y ke sesiyofaka le yanto la. Sizofaka le yanto la. Ethini? Ethi x minus 3. X minus 3 over 2. Okay? Yona into esizoyisebenza ke le yana ukuze sithole equation yani sithole ipoint. Sithole ipoint. Ilona esisubstitute la. Uma ke sesilsubstitute ke point, nansi into ezokwenzeka. Sizoba no x squared minus 1 minus 2x plus 1 plus sisquareisha le yanto. Masi squareisha le yanto sino x squared minus 6x plus 9 over 4. Noma sikwenze noma asiqale ngokusimplify kuqala. Sizoba no x minus 3 over 2 plus 1, which is 2. So it's x minus 1 over 2. Masi squareisha le yanto ke sizo squareisha numerator, si squareisha ne denominator. Square the numerator here. You will have x squared minus 2x plus 1 all over 4. Uphinde multiply ngo 4 throughout. Now multiply ngo 4 uzoba no 4x squared minus 8x plus 4 plus x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals to 4 times the radius. 4 times the radius square. 4 times the radius square. So mawusuka you can collect lo nalo bakunikeze 5x squared. Lo nalo bakunikeze minus 10x. Lo nalo bakunikeze plus 5 equal to 0. Divide ngo 5 ube no x squared minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Buse uya factorize lento yakho uthole x plus minus 1 no x minus 1. So your x will be equal to minus 1. Your x will be equal to positive 1. When your x is positive 1, your y will be minus 1. Minus 1. Now that usiyalazi lelia point ike, you can now calculate how long is your radius. Your radius, law times law, law minus law, all squared to 0. Law minus law, nakhona uthola u0. Ayikwazi ukwenzeka kanjalo, ayikwazi ukusinikeza u0 in all instances. Sekufanele siyichecke ukuthi kuphi la isambe khona wrong. Right, ake sibuke information esiyinikeziwe. Sinikezwe an equation of a straight line which is a tangent. Sanikezwa i-center ye-circle. Sanikezwa i-point la i-circle ihlangana khona ne-tangent. Right? Nansi information esiyinikeziwe. Engifuna siqale sikwenze ngifuna siqale sithathe i-tangent le esiyinikeziwe. Sibhale in a standard form like this. So our y is equals to minus 2x plus 11. Nansi equation ye tangent. Yilo line lo. Right? Ganti lo line lo siyazi thina ukuthi ne radius ba perpendicular. Bese sibuka i-theorem ke yo line aba perpendicular. Ithini? Ithi gradient yokuqala mangi multiply ngegradient yesibili I must get minus 1. Already nginayo gradient yokuqala which is minus 2 multiplied by m2 equal to minus 1. Therefore m2 is equals to 1 over 2. Le gradient angithi a tangent minus 2. Le esiyitholayo manje radius. Uthini umbuzo? Uthi umbuzo thina asithole i-equation ye-radius. Uma sizothola i-equation ye-radius, sisebenzisa le formula ethi the m is given by the changes of y minus y1 over the changes of x minus x1. Right? Asibukeke the changes. Y minus minus 1, it is y plus 1 divided by x minus 1, x minus 1. This is equals to the gradient of a tangent which is half. Cross multiply, sishona lesithi 2y plus 2 equals to x minus 1. Collect or siyenze ibe standard because it's an equation of a tangent. Ithini ke yona? Ithi 2y is equals to x lo ashone ngale kube minus 3. Divide ngo 2, y is equals to 1 over 2, x minus 3 over 2. Le equation yani ye tangent. Kanti le equation ye tangent, le equation yani ye radius. Okay? Bese kuthiwa ni ke emva kwalokho. Bese kuthiwa asithole determine the equation of a circle that runs between P and Q. Okusho ukuthi oku radius yalo ile. Determine the circle whose radius is this. Ukuze sikwazi ukuthola kuqala iradius fanele thina sazi x no y wala because uradius sizomdinga uma sisenza i-equation yani ye-circle. Hathi siyayizwa le nto engiyisho. Right. Ukuze sikwazi ukuthola u-x noma u-y wethu, we can use this to that one. We can use this to that one. Sibone ukuthi sithola bani. Ubanike simsebenzisayo manje endaweni ka-y thina we put that. Endaweni ka-y we put that. Endaweni ka-y we put minus 2x plus 11. Indawo ka-y le. Okusho ukuthi kahle kahle le ndawo ka-y siyisubstitute la. Sithini minus 2x plus 11. It's all over 2. We cross multiply by 2. It is minus 4x multiplied by 2 plus 22 is equals to x minus 3. Lo common denominator u-y so replace ngalento ngoba naku. So the common denominator ethi yo multiply la it's minus 4 and 22 and so on. Lo mayebuya ngapha. Lo mayebuya ngapha. Ubuya minus. So sesino minus 5x. Lo maye angale uhamba minus bese siba no minus 25. then x wethu alingane no 5. Sesiwazi ku x ukuthi u5 sesiwufaka la 5 times 2 10 11 minus 2 y wethu 11 minus 10 y wethu u1. Therefore leli point leli lubani lu5 kanye no 1. Sesiyakwazi ukucalculate ini iradius yethu because iradius yethu itholakala kanje. Iradius yethu it's radius square which is the distance 5 minus 1 which is 4. 4 squared is 16 plus 1 minus minus 1 which is 2. 2 squared is 4. So this one gives us 20 which is r squared. I say 20 which is r squared. Therefore r is equals to 20 is 2 root 5 because it's 4 times 5 which is 20. So this is our r. Now that we want the equation of the circle, sesingayivula le ndawo bese senza equation ye circle. Mase senza equation ye circle, this is what is going to happen. This is what is going to happen. Mase senza equation ye circle. Remember, an equation of a circle with a center away from the origin. An equation of a circle with a center away from the origin is r squared equals to x minus x1 all squared plus y minus y1 all squared. This is away from the origin. So this one. So it is x minus 1 all squared plus y minus minus. So it's plus 1 all squared is equal to r squared, which is 2 root 5 all squared. So this one is 20 equals to x squared plus minus 2x plus 1 plus y squared plus 2y plus 1, right? Bese sithatha wonke ama constant lo nalo u1 no 1 kube u2 sibabuyise ngapha 20 minus 2 it's 18 equals to x squared minus 2x plus y squared plus 2y. So lokhu is an equation of this circle with a center at the 1n minus 1, or busu ul standardizer not is equals to x squared minus 2x plus y squared plus 2y minus 18. This can also be one form of the circle. So it's easy as that. So angiphinde ke ngikunikeze summary yalento. Miningi imbuzo ozohlangabezana nayo. Eminye izobe ithi thola ubude be radius. Ukuze uthole ubude be radius fanele ube nawo mabili ama point. Enye izobe ikunikeza iradius ithi thola equation ye circle uma ngabe icenter uyinikeziwe. Enye izobe ikutshela ukuthi i-center ne-circle, i-center ukuthi i-circle idlule endaweni ethile, i-center ukuthi i-circle idlule endaweni ethile, which provides you with a possibility yokubala i-radius and then you use that. Enye izobe ikutshela a line which is a tangent to. What you must know, a tangent line i-gradient yakho ni-inverse i-gradient yani ye-radius. You can find the equation of a radius by using a formula of m equal to y, changes of y over the changes of x. Always remember, uma uthola equation ye circle, you substitute i circle uqobo lwayo kwi standard. Bese uya multiplier. After multiplication uthathe wonke ama constant values ayengancane usale nama variables wodwa on the other side ukuze mawusuzobuyela emuva uyothola icenter you complete a square for x you also complete a square for y's busubuka inumber uyi-add uphinde uyi-add on the other side then factorize thereafter you'll come up with your centers. Those were the equation of a tangent. And this is the equation of a tangent, equation of a radius, equation of a circle with a center at the origin, equation of a circle with a center away from the origin. How to calculate a radius, how to calculate a center by completing a square, how to factorize so that you'll be able to find the values of x and y at the center. Izinto zonke lezo ke esizenzile. Lalela ke ngani yami. Lo msebenzi wonke sesiwupackageile sawufaka kule disk. Umsebenzi ka 7 days lo. You can go through it over 4 days maximum. You can go over lo msebenzi over 4 days maximum because wona u7 days. Imnandi ngento eyodwa ke iDVD esizokunikeza yona ngoba uyakwazi ukuyidlala uphinde uyidlala uyilalela uyibuke ulalela ubuke ulalela ubuke busuyenza esikutshele khona. Uma uhluleka ukwenza zonke lezo zinto you are so free and welcomed ukuthi usifonele ku WhatsApp ushuthele inkinga onayo in a form of a question. Number 3 Twitter share. Number 4 you can also find us with YouTube. Number 5 you can find us on our page info class. You can Google us, we are there. Ngayo yonke le information ngicabanga ukuthi izokulekelela ke ukuthi understand the analytical geometry. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi siqale phi nayo. Siqale ngokurevise umsebenzi wa grade 10 and 11 where we dealt with parallel lines, we dealt with vertical equations, gradient, midpoint, collinearity of points, and so on and so on. Konke lokho forms part of your analytical geometry. Ngoba mawusunikezwa wena abuka la awunikezwanga nje i-circle kuphela kodwa phakathi kube ne-circle no line abaqondile. Other lines are called radius, other lines are called tangent, other lines will be called chords and whatever and whatever. So please isiqubulo esihlale simile njalo esokuthi usunderstand ukuthi sisho ukuthini. Sithi buka ukuthi kwenziwani, lalela ubuke bese uyenza because mawungakwenzi lokho you will never learn. Okay, so lokho ke kupackage i-analytical geometry yethu.